In this video, I'm going to be showing us the three ways in which you can check our WAEC results.
First method is by the use of the website WAEC official portal. So, and that is www.waecdirect.org. So I'm going to click on this. Once you click on it, you can see that we have www.waecdirect.org. So I'm going to click on WAEC Direct portal. Now, once you click on it, this is the interface that will appear. So zoom it, make it bigger and bolder. Now you can see the step below here. The step one is enter your 10-digit WAEC examination number. So the WAEC examination number is 10 digits. So enter the 10 digits WAEC examination number. Then the next one is examination year. Okay, enter the 4 digits of your examination year. This is what we have. So you can click on it if you want to check a particular year. But this is 2026, for instance. So we have to click on 2026. So that is where we are right now. Then the third one is the private candidate. Look at it, that's the third one. So select the type of exam. Click on private candidate. You will see two types of exam has appeared. One is private candidate, while the other one is school candidate. So, but what we are interested in right now is school candidate. So click on school candidate. Then the next one is PIN. Click on PIN. So we have clicked on PIN. Then try typing numbers. You can see that the numbers are not even appearing, which implies that it is PIN. So because it is personal identification number. Then when you are done with that, click on serial number. Okay, then enter the serial number. When you are done, the next step is not submission. The next step is to check if your details are accurately entered. Okay, if they are well entered, then you can click on submit. Once you do that, you are now going to expect your result.
So the second method for checking your WAEC results is through the SMS method. What you are going to do first, type WAEC at the message bar, then type the 10-digit examination number. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So whatever it is, this is just an illustration. All right. Then, so the pin that you have, okay, yes, then followed by year, exam year, that is 2026. Once you get this, send it to 32327. So just click on this send bar, okay, where you have the arrowhead here, send bar. Once you send it, then wait a little. In the absence of any glitch, in seconds you are going to get your result. A message will be sent to you, and that message will contain your result. So this is the second method for checking your WAEC result. So the next one is by the use of WAEC result checker app. Just move straight to the Google Play Store. Then click on the search bar. You can see this search bar. Then search for WAEC result checker app. WAEC result checker. Okay, checker app. Yes, WAEC result checker app 2026. So we are clicking on it. Look at it here. I have not downloaded it. Okay, so download it. So we are downloading. We have to be patient until we download it. Look at it. So this is very important. Okay, so we download is downloading. It's about 7 MB. So wait for it to download. Yes, so it has finished download. It's installed. It has installed now. We open. So I'm opening it now. So you can see here that the country has appeared. WAEC result checker. Select your country to begin. So we have Nigeria, Ghana, Gambia, Sierra Leone, and Liberia. Don't click on any country you are not in. If you are in Nigeria, click Nigeria. If you wrote your WAEC in Ghana, click Ghana. If it's Gambia, so just click the country. So we are going to click Nigeria. So we have clicked Nigeria. You can see that this field has appeared. This is examination number. So click on examination number, then you can enter your exam number, whatever your exam number is, enter it. Then examination here, click on it. You see this? So all the years will appear. Then you go to 2026. Okay, you write 2026. Then exam type, private and school candidate. So click on school candidate. Then the pin that you actually used. Okay, what is the pin? Just enter the pin, whatever the pin is. All right. Then the serial number. Yes, the serial number. And this is exam here. This examination number. Okay, click on exam number. I don't know the number. Any number you used, click on it. Okay. Then serial number. Then this is phone number. So whatever your phone, the phone number you use to register for WAEC, please, that's what you are going to enter. Okay. Then serial number and so on. So just enter these details and send it, submit. Look at submit here, the yellow button here, okay, just below all these boxes. So click on that after checking that your details are correct. Once you do that, then once you submit, just be patient a little. Okay, if there is no network issue, then you should expect your result to be displayed within seconds. So thank you very much, and I wish you congratulations. I do hope you have seen the three methods for checking your result. I wish you excellence. And for now, goodbye.